Welcome to the Culture Convo podcast, the upcoming of greatness. Dango.
Hello, ladies and gents. You're welcome to another episode of the Culture Convo podcast. And I am Synovia Mercenary, the problematic Mamqede, the only lady with plenty of ginger. And as you all know, I'm the queen of fives. Everyone tell a crown. Okay, guys, I'm not alone. I'm with the cutest bee. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, you doing again?
The cutest bee in the beehive.
Yeah, girl.
Sana. Hi guys, it's Miss B, the sweetest and fabulous honeybee, and I'm sweeter than honey itself.
Okay.
I'm back. It's another Wednesday. And our first I'm said, of course. Snatch home, you transfer business of it. Yes.
Hello,
My guy.
But in the opinion, in the list of dogs, because we're dealing with the top dog.
Yeah. So
It's a dig.
Yeah.
Guys. So, guys. And I know I'm going to go to but Miss B. Because
I feel like I'm just deserving the vibes here.
What
What am I here for?
What do you mean?
No, sorry. PSA, our camera is back
Oh.
and kicking like nothing happened. Back like Ngolo.
Okay.
And we have our new lights, guys. Thank you to God at this moment, and thank you to Jackway Entertainment and also our media for getting us the lights.
Yeah.
We have brand new lights. I know you can't see it, but you'll see the difference. Thank you to again for Umbist Baza Photography for sponsoring us with his camera.
Yeah.
And thank you to our other sponsors like Ukaya Kulu, Privilege Lifestyle, Nature Plan Water, and Istebe Senjol and the Mkoto Residence. Thank you so much, guys.
Wow.
What's up, man?
Why are you serious, Kakulu?
No, can we PSA, guys? Let's see.
Okay, because how are you
Yes.
feeling namhlanje? Like,
Oh, yeah, for
Yeah.
Balele kum.
hayiba ufila njani? Umbuzo. Kuthi ndinqaniswa lento.
Yeah.
Okay.
The right. Ndiphilile. Uthixo semhle. Unjani wena?
Hayi, khabuzi top dog. Ngisacinga iqala banjani? Top dog. Top dog. How you feel? Don't Lila.
How are you? What are you?
I'm correct.
Oh, correct.
I'm not okay.
And it's okay for Bangabe correct. Why you correct, John? What happened that made you feel out of place? Ngabe correct. When I want our top dog. I mean,
Hey man,
bathini bona?
ayifanayo.
Hey.
Bakwenzani bona?
Benzeni?
Situationship.
Yeah.
Yo.
It's a situationship.
Go situationship.
From a relationship to situationship.
Oh,
Damn.
I guess
And it's never nice because I've been in one of those.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah, I was
Oh,
born.
God,
I was
I
born
know.
in so a side dish from
Maine.
from Maine. I'm
Maine.
Mandanga.
What is
And
that?
uyazazi launch ayandenza launch.
Hayi mani. Ayeli phansi komhlaba. Ayeli phansi komhlaba. Uzomthini Tom lo phela? Uzomthini?
Asumenzani but
But
just
Avele, yo.
tough.
Chomi. Uthi kanje kantoni?
kwenzeke ntoni?
Yambona la malume kaLobs. Uzawubona guys. Wena malume. Uzawubona.
Malume uzawubona.
Uzawubona.
Uzawubona kukhupha indaba zabantu nje.
Uzawubona. So guys, yabo izolo. Yesterday. Well, I'm
Mawubona Christophe.
Zinjilo.
Lubuneuza.
Paul, So, textola yichomi yami apha. Doesn't matter yichomi na, but yeah.
But yichomi because they're texting.
Yeah, it's on strawberry. I don't know, it's a masa. No, yabo.
Yeah.
So, these past few months, our communication was not communicating. Yabo, strawberry. Yabo. Just spoke.
Wait, the guy is a strawberry.
Yeah, which one?
Okay, sure.
Oh. Yo.
Strawberry.
Okay.
Strawberry.
And I want to make sure that I'm following kakuhle. I wish I had a notepad and a pad. Bengathi ndi-therapist.
Ufuna ndani slabo?
No, I wish I had a notepad and pen. Bengathi ndi-therapist ndimamele.
Oh shit.
So strawberry ke ngoku. Thanks action la phethe manje right. Siyo beyilondo wethu yawo. Hayi nyandiye pha kwasawo. Nya xa sifikayo Man, ngithe lapha emnyango ngibona lo malume. Hayi ngangibulisa shem. Bulisa beyilondo. Nyani afike ke uStrawberry. Gqibele kudala msuba uHecho mzawara. Umalume wayithatha isa injalo. Ubaba kathi dokubana uthi nje ubanjwe ngabafana uthi unxiba ijezi yomfana. Hayibo.
Hayibo lume.
Ijezi kabani.
Kabani kaStrawberry.
Ijezi ka Apile Chumi leyana.
Kombo.
Apile kalongo main current. Guys no.
Yo.
What's supposed to be kabani ijezi? Lebanda Chumi solo. Ana jezi guys. Yo. We're supposed to be jezi kabani.
Not just.
Dineza ke Chumi jezi.
Hayi ho. Ogamelwa inhliziyo. Yayinhliziyo yami iqala uma kulapha sithi ekameni.
Andisabhubhi kule kona ndibhubha ndiyimbubho nje.
Hayi.
Azo Apile anilahle guys yabo. Ijezi zakho mfana azivala ngazo shema eminyango.
Okay, yo.
Di serious. Zavala ngazo eminyango shema.
Ngibambe.
Sizalala inja.
Mbambe thona ngikulahlile.
Inja.
Makabanje thona ngikulahlile. Jama ngabambeki.
He's a cop Chumi uzabambamba.
Yo.
Sabaweli.
So okay, that's a question. If you get pentlog, let he's a cop, right?
Yo. Doesn't know you can question.
Yeah, Dieke.
Teta.
Hey, Joyika.
Teta man.
Yeah, when's I'm going to be 9.
Inkonzo yaseKamereni Chumi.
Legit mna Chumi yabo. Benza usuke emhlangeni yabo.
Ay, serious?
Jeza.
Ngoba serious ke. Yeah, when. Okay. Abona ke ngokuso sithi chitha ukuthi lonto ngizalwa musabebukele. Ne? So mase ngitheni mayidrojo le question because ubhi.
Utheni?
Uthe mayidrojo uthi mayiqoqeke yebo. But ke mase ndihlonipha abazali. Yebo so mandiyeke. But you get an advance like so go answer yakho.
Uzobuza ke king intonton. Yo, hayi ndiloyika. Manje lost. Masambe.
Hayi ninganibuza mina banda right shem.
Kaloku siya apho ba how are you?
I'm right.
Are you calling it on the highest level?
What do you mean I'm calling it at the highest level? Show me you zingo.
Ukubhubha.
Oh, bra.
Izimbubo.
Buligquba ukubhubha.
Izimbubo. Ifekile ibube ngoku xa ndiyazi ba.
Zinkwitho. Wayehleka.
Ingxaka nekuni.
Zinkwitho zobubhubhu.
Cha ke asijambisi mos xa izingo. Nenhliziyo ezibhlungu nembubo.
Fake it till you make it, my dog.
Fake it till they don't call me Queen Messi for nothing. I'm very strong. In the ncincijele izodlula ngoba
Police amdasekhaya.
Superman.
Why?
Ungazimotivate ngoba uzomotivate ubani because kuzothiwa oh ayiseng. Uphinde ukhunjuzwe kuthiwa yo I get some nansi into egoyisa ebona no. Otherwise I ngidla some the right.
I forgot I did right.
Oh, is that right
What
now?
do you mean? To say right now go.
Are you sure?
Okay.
I'm sure. What are you asking?
I'm still get right to know.
High pitched nakabayi voice yakho you're feeling like defensive guy denial.
Denial is a river.
In Egypt.
Yes. So no, I'm good. I'm skimoja.
Or sharp.
I'm always on a high. Noba is intensity. Be on a low. I'm always on a high. Yeah. Yes.
My dog.
So guys, Namkloko, I have this question. I have a question. The guys are trying. So, ukhona umuntu this year should be named as the things I never knew would happen.
Yeah.
So the question is like zintoni and is try out. Beningacinganga ba okay. Ningazenza kulonyaka. Yabo. Okanye na any like ningazange nicinga ba ningazenza uzenza apha life yakho.
So is it this year or specifically
This
like
year.
in my life?
Like this year.
This year, I didn't think I would experience grief. Honestly, Gladma, my grandpa passed like from a very like I was very young when my granddad passed, so I never got to understand the concept of grief. But since his soul's I am
Oh man.
I'm like, my nigga, I listen to your songs and I wear your clothes, but I understand like there's Akzobako's arguments in between of me taking your clothes, because there used to be arguments, but did they shut down?
Yeah.
Did they shut down? Like, yeah, well, so now I just wear your stuff and there's no one talking over me. I sleep in your bed and a condo. That is problematic, like you. So I didn't think I would experience a big loss in my life. I always thought that me losing my grandma would be like the biggest loss, but a soulmate,
oh man, I'm so sorry, man. You're right.
In the sideways.
Oh, shame.
So yeah, I didn't think that grief was a big thing.
We posted on fast. Fast. Yo. Okokuqala nje must siqala this year podcast, right?
No, last year.
Last year. Like ube iyaphuma ivele bukele umuntu wonke.
Yeah,
siqala this year.
Siqala this year uphuma, but last year we were shooting.
Okay. I never thought mamna ndingaze ndiye kwigrove.
Okay.
Because bengiyegrovist. But
okay.
This year.
Understand, I want to say not what groove out kulidlanga.
Nacho misukhwaza bahla yo. And to me it feels like ekudala ndigroover.
Okay.
The way ndi party butterfly ngayo. Last woman standing oko qhama. And like right long.
Right, because also police. Uyaqamba ubuhuqa umuntu. Yamazi umuntu wethu esimqhayo. Khona
Ndiyamazi so.
Yayiba akakhona idiyalondo.
Manzi ninzi man.
Uyakuva ke ukulomuntu for that matter.
But ninzi shame but leyo groover hayi
takes the cake.
Hey. Yo. Kaningi man, ansizithatha qha ezinye izinto but ninzi into ndiyitryleyo this year.
No, that's nice.
No lies.
I can't really try them this year besides sleeping and eating. But I never thought that it's about we relationship. I be like to ndo yeto.
Apile wayumntana. Nyakomi.
I be ndo yeto. You
What is this?
You don't learn
kuyo. What is this now?
Don't learn kuyo.
What are Kezanaeli?
Land
Kochon.
So
it's still brand new.
Oh. Ayapile wayomnye kaloku xa isanoqala ngoJune.
Intoni yena?
Hayi masingavinga iApp.
Hey, hayi Sarah engxaki umnashe ndizamane nditshela kancane unrelated jo. Andisekho kwesa stage in life.
And so about azinanifundela banguyi. Akagobila mntana.
Andikwazi ugowa jo. I've been vocal about it, like what is ugowa? Is it how you feel? Wow, I feel sad over a particular thing. I can't. Guys, life unento ezininzi for bantu bendigowa mna. Jangoku I should be going, but okay, I lost my card and stuff.
But I'll go with him.
No, I can easily go with card elicha. Imali is a concept that either one has and one loses. So ukulahleka kwemali is not the end of the world.
Who told me? You have like
me.
Imali. Again, ndiyatsho ngende lapha phansi ngixoxa. Ube uphole nje?
Fama dini.
Atsho.
That's
Makhanyazelwe.
Yo, like there's so many things that is non chamazelisa, like including family members. Hayi ubani kutheni kubani wasekhaya. Hayi ke masichamazelini. But see, when it comes to me, I have I think a coping mechanism where my body just shuts down. My mind is like, you are not today.
Not today, chum.
That's how it's not. And because said kuyo yonke lonto because lezo yenzo zobese ndiyotya ndibukele uMordecai and Rigby, and then that's it. And that's it. I will watch cartoons and eat and sleep in bed, and that's it. I don't go. What is to go? Like I understand, but I should be crying. It's not for you.
That's why I'm coming as the cry baby. It's a fully langogle.
Guys, I do understand go.
Actually, you're
like even when I was going through the most in relationships, like what is that?
Emana uzanenza ndifuna ubuze ke ukuba benidila njani ne break up.
Person A got to person B ukhona. where I could go look for person B and just keep my mind occupied.
So you suggest uba umntu xa hethwe ngu-person A makakhangela u-person B?
Straight.
Feel
Because person A ngala mzuzu akulilisa ngeba ucinga uyakulilisa. Akalili yena.
Andakalili. Akana sorry.
Why should I waste my time wallowing in his presence or whatever? Whereas I could be underneath someone. Sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Yo.
I'm sorry.
Yo.
Iman ke Iman like dine question ke ngoku.
Okay.
So since kukho lento yobuvrawush ke ngoku senso lento ithetha ayikwenzi ubuvrawush lo.
Ubuvrawush is
like that's a question.
Ubuvrawush applies when kwawena uthi yabona lanto ba yabona chomi yethu sikhalazela qho. Yabona chomi yethu chomi lesithi livrawush.
Hayi.
Khona chomi yethu manje sithi livrawush ne. La chomi yethu has around three male species that are interested in her, right? And she knows that and she plays that game, right? There's this guy who is not around. Then khona lo around. That person, like, point is that like there's you, right? You know, there's person A, person B, person C. Ne? When are you in a relationship with person A? But while person A is not around, you're shagging person B and C. Right? That is a buvrausha because you do have a person A. Now all I'm saying is if I'm in an encounter of person A fucked up and it's very unforgivable, I'll move on to the next person.
Or you will move on, not
Move
to
on.
Not
No,
at
the
I
same
can't do
time.
it at the same time. Ubuvrausha applies when you're shagging multiple people at the same time. You keeping people interested in you, lingering around you, abaninzi at the same time. Now, nathi sizi spectators, as this year's ba,
Ngompi kanye ngompi.
that is ubuvrausha.
Yeah.
Kungakwazi uzikhona. Because mhlawumbe uvela ube worried nango person A ukhona hazubani kezana andiyazi wayedlala ngala mfana because that person is a good guy. That leaves you wondering.
Isono sakhe kungabikho xa person A.
Exactly. That is ubuvrausha. I'm saying if you per se do something shady, I will leave you. And
I'm
go
moving
for
on to the next person. Thank you. Thank you next.
Yes.
Oh,
Thank you.
Ayo oba I
Next.
guess.
Next.
No, it's like he wanted to prove a point and he got owned. So I'm sorry.
No, ownishanga sis.
I'm sorry.
Hey.
I'm sorry.
It's not that deep.
I'm sorry.
That deep.
When
I sino for you,
Njani?
senje umntu olose. Umconsiderisha ngeziphi signs or what action in your own opinion.
Umuntu olusi.
Yeah.
Could be female or male.
Yeah, both.
Both them.
Yeah, both.
Male.
Male apha
Umuntu olusi okokuqala azixelele ba angayiki kwakuxelela lapho fwena ba ndiyathandwa ngamantombi. And nami ndiyawathanda amantombi.
Ayibo.
Okay.
Okanye masithi aqala xele nje ba okay yeah ndiyathandwa ngamantombazana. Uzawuqala pha ubalusi uzaba nalanto ba okay you're not around.
Okay, Image.
Uthini bhuti?
I don't want us to go further. Jake, why is your statement?
Ndiyathandwa mina ngamantombi ke.
Cela ninike an opinion zenu ba from that statement going forward, ne? Mhlawumbe umuntu axelele namhlanje. Xa ufika ulala kokwenu wena ucinga laa nto beyithetha, what comes in your mind? Is lo mntu serious about ukuya phambili okanye?
Okanye.
No.
The
Niye.
whole relationship.
So
Uzodlala lo.
cela nje ezo opinion one.
Siyaqala like sesixele sonke sithi no.
Top dog.
Uzodlala
Top
sho.
dog.
Flame.
Top dog.
Flame.
Masiqale
Like-
top dog.
Even the topi.
Andifuni siyicule le way. Ndifuna umntu athethe opinion yakhe. I don't want a group opinion.
Top dog.
Hey.
How do you feel, Glokwana, with that statement from a guy?
Akaboni future namntu now. It's just the whole situation, your relationship, you know, he fling, it's a joke, like akaboni into like seriously.
Goes.
Akaboni, guys. Wasting your time. That's literally wasting your time. Guys, are clear about your options.
Because that's easy. That's
There are
what,
options. If you're
that's
not
what he's
here,
telling you. Kakuhle, kakuhle.
okanye na if you're not here, okanye uzixelele ba wena or you don't want to be too available. Ukhona soloke available. Ndizawungena kuye.
Wesaba sedimaza ke ba available bonke.
Yeba.
Asiphangeli guys.
It's a pandemic.
EBlack available.
It's a
No, the pola
pandemic.
back khana lapho Soweto.
Kubhetela bedimaza eBlack.
Yeah.
Yo actually. You lose your person eBlack.
So umntana azazixelele ba uyajoba pola.
Katemethini.
Iza sino yakho opinions.
Kodwa ndichazile ipiece ndisebenzile.
Sichaza piece.
Guys, and then-
Ithini yakho opinion? Sixelele ipiece. Jetha.
Abisinga question.
Options.
Oh, I mean, kule piece yoba yena uyathandwa ngamantombi.
Yeah.
No kaloku uzawufika koweni obviously unexhala, yabo.
Sure.
Noba uyaphuma axelele. Uzawuba ngathi loyal kuwe because udlala games, yabo. Uzawufuna ube pha,
Yeah.
yabo. But wena uzathi xa exelela ba uyaphuma uqonde, gosh. Ethandwa ngamantombi. Naye wathanda amantombi. Obviously ukhona zawumkanayo namhlanje. Angamkana 3, angamkana 4. Akathi hayi.
Okay.
Uyabo?
Yeah.
If ke ngoku mina bendingumntu orongo benza msika shem ndithi. Ngixabanisi.
To me that's why ke oku.
Wait, usika?
Sika who?
Oh,
Who do you sika?
no, it means uyamcastrate chom. Usika
Ndiyadlala, hayi.
ilungu libalekile.
Umxabanisi.
Usika
Le nto imenza
sorry.
eqabaka kwazi uzibamba.
Usika elilungu liqaba. Andifuni yamsana engacimi. Hey.
Sorry.
I feel like naturally me yabo. That's where ke oku black magic comes in. If I still have feelings and wena ziphelile zakho, sawusebenzisa zami sithando
That's
sami
why abantu becula ezirankini. Sinabantu abacula amagama abantu ezirankini.
Bianca your phone.
Blackmail.
Jomi, da sawusebenzisa zami trum.
As a black magic.
Jomi, sawusebenzisa zami feelings. If azinazo
As a
wena.
black magic ina.
Jomi ewe, Jomi.
Kukho zakuthandayo ngaphandle.
Ndiyamfuna mna. Mna ndifuna lo ungandifuniyo.
But Chomi,
So sawusebenzisa ezami.
Wenzana imagine
Chomi.
relationship yomfana ongakufuni ube umfuna wena.
Bra.
Uqonde Thixo wami.
I love you. Can talk with
Yini nonqeba? Yini?
Afuna unibona. Ndibe khona uyaxoka mfana yini mthakosisi.
Sasebenzisa ezami. Uthi sokusebenzisa zakho Chomi.
Sawusebenzisa zami. Zaphela zakho usebenzisa zami.
I love that for you.
Ayini.
Doesn't mean I would do it. But I love it.
Jomi ngizayenza.
Ungaklinga uyitryinda black magic. Kuthiwa amayeza ayaphela.
Jomi alikapheli phofu allegedly. Alikapheli lasisi walapha eDimbaza. So ndibona napha kuye so yabo. You're my hero in a
Kaloku mhlawumbi mane hlaziya yena akathathi kayi-2 akathathi kayi-1 ayeka.
Chomi namanzi uyeka.
serious?
Ziyekayeki feelings zami for yena andikazuyeka guys.
Ingxaki ke ukuza uthi somfakele ke le korobela yakho ne. Uziphele feelings kuwe.
Ziphelele la ukuthi
umntana abantu mshengwapho.
Sawulinda Chomi iyaza liphela kaloku cacini.
Lingapheli ezithi kanti forever.
Chomi forever kaloku ayo.
Ungamfuni.
Hayibo Chomi kaloku. Polygamous. Sithe. Period.
Yo, hayi nikhohlekele nina.
Period. Sounds kaloku.
I don't know man.
8+8.
Gogo's curtain shoulders. Polygamous.
Yabona yena. Ndiyamrhalela.
It's polygamous.
Ngoku ndadlala.
Ibane ke. Yo,
Isana.
this is crazy. So what's the one thing come is table and can't be the English. So which one is enfika engathi ngelona cala kuhlalisana kulo. Yabo.
I don't understand.
Sancho ngeyona fumanise kuba ngeyona situation that abantu bangakwazi uyimela. Yabo. When it comes to 2 girls marrying 1 guy or 2 guys marrying 2 girls.
2 guys marrying 1 girl.
Yeah.
1 mfazi.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So uthi kuthani ke? So you feel like
Senzo-
i-question yakho kubuza ngeyiphi indawo
Yeah, ngeliphi icala nicinga mhlambi.
emthethisi between
Yeah. Elingena fumanise kuba yo namhlanje kumandi ngomso ziyashuba because masikhona mosla show yalamjita
Mseleko?
yeah niyazibona maseza drums ezekapha bayo umthengele imoto anami ndifuna imoto
Kaloku utshoni.
all of that shit yabo
Yabona kule case yemoto nentoni?
Yeah.
Umsebe kwenza sure yena ba xa ethela abafazi bakhe. Bathengela bonke ngexesha
aloku
eliyi-one.
nemali yena let us make it say ban
Bakanamali.
kamnaki ndinabantu yabo
Imabhuti uthi unabafazi
ayi2
awunamali.
Uthini
But
nabafazi
ukhona
abayi-two?
lo mfazi ukuphelela
besides ba
Ayibo.
anamali not like I'm broke flat broke yabo so I make means not like all ahlobo la likamjita because umjita yena yabo he can afford into serious yabo so like I make means but guys it's not about the money it's about the situation ba keeping icingayo ba iyahlaleka kanye which one wena would you choose
I think
which one would you choose
ukuchata nomfana oyi-one ningamantombi amabini. Ewe ke drama izoba khona most obviously because umfana uyakwazeka lonto ahlala ixesha elinintsi komnye uqonde hayibo. Ndihlele into napha ndingumfazi yebo. But ke
but
uzokwazi igqibeleni uzokwazi uhlala phansi nithethe phinde be right. Umfana power hayibo.
But I feel like seyenzeke already lento ye-polygamous relationships boring. Umuntu alibe proud athi okay wami ke lo wa. Unesanto. Athi okay wami kona. Okay we're dating the same person. Uma siyanyevulelana mntakabawo. We like sesikwe relationship e1. So you
Into inyevulisa. Ubona umuntu uthanda into. Into inyevulisa. Ubona girlfriend yomuntu wakho. Lalokhu nje.
Jeju kuso. Changisanda nyeva meke so.
Sikum.
Awushotsho mzanginyevulela.
No,
No, why?
nganyevulelwa but kuna and really bad.
Zange wena wanyevulela umuntu.
No.
Okay.
I saw nyevulela umuntu ngenxa yomfana. I won't do that shit.
So the question I mean answer yakho kule question ngatapo. So wena igebe bhetele abafana ababini abachata nomfazi oyi-one. Okay.
No, amantombi amayi-two atshata nomfana.
Yeah.
where now would you be in a relationship with both guys loving you and be the other guy
Be the other guy if there's money. Money talks. Mali phambili. Mali babili bafazi. Exactly.
Yo wethu imali lomntana.
Mali phambili. For me mina angikwazi ukhala unganinika ngama. Manje ndithi ndikhala sho umqondo okay attention yakho awuniki bisithi
But at least imali.
Exactly.
Yes.
Mali
Like
baphambili.
200, you know. You can't just
Uqonde it's fine.
because what do you mean?
What do you mean accountability yakho ayizongena kwi-account yami?
Let's go.
The way you take up accountability should have you making the ability to send money into my
Account.
Period.
Thank you very much. 4 plus 4, 8. Please.
Yo.
Period.
You can't just say I took accountability. Where's the money?
Faka imali.
Where's the money?
Faka imali. Akade amantombazana aroko betnani.
Son. Kaloku awunogeza ucinga uba you can't just do something in the means of you know saying sorry.
Yeah, xa kuphela ethe ugeza kwakho.
Geza
Money,
ube uyazi uba
yeah.
unemali. At least uzawugezeleka.
Asho
Waibo.
And then?
What is going on? Mr. Producer say.
Hey.
hayi ndizawugezeleka.
Okay, so andiyazi niqole iphela mos la question.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uthi kaloku for sure naye abafazi ababini abachate nomyeni, right?
No, 2 guys married to me.
Hayibo.
Anybody got time for that?
2
Anyone
guys.
got time for 2 girls marrying 1 person? I can't share my man. So I'd rather have men share me. You know? Yeah, so
Danger gefar.
I can't.
Go
I
down.
can't.
How ingozi?
Ndizibonile uba andikwazi ushera guys, so mawathathe mna guys la madoda ndizawuba nayo imali azawuba zii-house husbands.
Oh, busy fani yakho sihlobo sami.
Ngixothwa, of course man, ngixothwa amabhokela azotshintsha ifani boyi-2 babe ngo-double barrel, so sithi uba ngumthokozisi
Ngixothwa amabhokela. Yo,
omnye
Siyabasebenza.
nguseyida ngixothwa amabhokela. Yes,
Amba mthokozisi.
mthokozisi. I think
Andithetha tunza vala umlomo wami. Zawuvala wami umlomo.
But yeah, guys, two
No.
guys must
Marry
share me.
women.
I see it as the most peaceful because you never see these men going on.
bakho right Tom.
Okay,
Njani ba bakho right?
Central.
Khona lo sisibongo piano kubo boyithu.
Spongo piano.
Oh guys, and what do I mean?
What is this spongo piano?
Khona ihlanya.
No.
Sihlanya sonke
Sihlanya
nje.
sonke,
Sihlanya
everyone has
sonke.
their-
Akhona lokho lo uzaba nanto ba ewe uzakuyeka ne uyenzele ifinance because akafuna ukuluza ni. But the minute ekhona lo wesibini qonde hey, hayi ke ngoku Bianca
Kaloku,
ndongo.
ndizawuthi like the yazi abantu always put like make things such a big deal. Sometimes it's not really that deep. If now you're honest with yourself that you know, but I can't. This applies to men too. You know, you can't be in a relationship ungumntu oyi-one,
Yeah.
like with one person. Say that easy. Say mna Bianca, I can't be in a relationship with one person. I'd really like to have a polyandry type of situation. Then that person will understand ba, oh Bianca mna naye ndijola ukhona umuntu ajola naye.
Kaloku,
Kwenzela
yazi-
ingathi you're leading that person on ba sephakathi phithi
Oh.
Yabona kule nto uyithethayo? Aba kule nto
Just say
uyithethayo?
something.
Kule nto uyithethayo about like uyayithetha ba okay, I can't be in a relationship with umuntu oyi-one. Yabo. As assumele ba okay, obviously ukhona okhoyo.
Yeah.
Yabo. Awuzawuthi anangxaki saka ngodinike ithuba lami.
Uzamnika lo mntu.
But kaloku kuthiwa mi ijika izinto ufuna like uba ngoyena yena unika attention ngowe.
Uyaphambana kaloku angaphumi nje. Block, delete and unfollow. Please go. If you can't handle the heat, then stay out of the kitchen.
Okay. Ngikuzwa.
If you can't handle the heat, stay out of the kitchen because kumute, Bianca, I can handle being in a relationship with
Yeah.
you, Tabob.
Yeah.
Sure. Xa ndispend ixesha noTabob because ndiqhawuhlala noTabob into ngokungxakiyana.
Izaba khona. Hayi bana Bianca.
Ahlale soyi-3 mthokozisi.
Awunesibindi. Awunesibindi.
Mthokozisi.
Alelisho umthokozisi namhlanje. Umuntu whoever ngumthokozisi.
Whoever, sorry Mthogo. I'm sorry.
Whoever ongumthoko.
I'm sorry Mthogo but igama lakho lizalula guys. Uba abenzinga namagama.
Guys, nansi question eh.
Hey everyone, it's Miss B, the sweetest and fabulous honeybee. I am sweeter than honey itself. Before we dive deep into today's episode, I want us to take a moment and talk about something: mental health. Mental health is very important, and if you are struggling with depression or anxiety, know that you're not alone. Let's break the stigma and break the silence and talk about it. In front of me, I have two toll-free emergency helplines that you can call anytime you feel under the weather. This one is called Suicide Crisis Helpline. It is 0800567 I repeat, 0800567 Here we have the Department of Social Development Substance Abuse Helpline, 080121314, 080121314. They have an SMS number that is 32312, 32312. Let's break the stigma again and let's break the silence. Thank you.
Ba bibuzwe nguta ne. Andiyaziqatsa. But how do you deal with your demons usober? Bakhona abasamba abantu badila ngedemons ngotywala. Demons zabo.
I can't figure stage in life
Say
where I can say
demons.
demons.
Yeah.
But depression, I think, is demons was.
Yeah.
Oh, so I've dealt with demons. I use pills. I went medically around it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Show me.
I'm still on antidepressants and anxiety meds. So that's how I deal with my demons. I sleep.
Slam.
Umntu makatye treatment xa uzaziba ulihlanya treatment yakho yapha eclinic dandichile khona psychologist phaya kwa-social development khona social workers. If nyan you are not well and you feel like the pressure of your home, your work, the
Yeah.
school, living arrangements, whatever, thetha phaa kumama ubanibani mama fuya mama think something like that kulowo wayekhona eklinikhi nansihambe eklinikhi ngoku
hamba
andivele ndiyobeka i-prescription eklinikhi kwa-chemist banike iipilisi zabo ndigoduke so into elula umntu makahambe ii-sessions ingxaki i-therapy sessions are too expensive I understand zikhona i-social workers zikhona i-psychologists ekliniki I think ikhona emahleke I don't know I'm not sure fumana iipilisi bufumana ngoma wakho ngowakho because uyayazi uba udila nantoni wena engxakini yakho
Chomi khona into endifuna uyiveza apha yabo two kwezinto ze-social work guys xa uyaziyo uba guys uba i-social guys usikhethe career wrong don't choose career wrong guys bro so bense I think it was lesithathu lesine right so ngikhaphe ichomi yam right ya kwasasa pha eDimasa uNtontoni and stuff so nyani as we kuyagcwala mos pha so sihleli ke ngoku jewezi hleli phandle ke ukaba sisibe social work or something konke lento bayiyo yabo so ukafike lo mntana ke azobuza pha kuthi ba guys ngifuna na social work ezinhle endawo yabo njalo nyani ayochaza story sakhe kwaba sisi and abasisi bahleli close to thina no asavele because asavele sihleli pha after ngilela mntana bahleka
don't take say
bahleka inhlungu yalamntana hayibo
like
basize umdaka uNtontoni uzo report mama yakho
can I cut you off
hayibo
unyanisile uNathan xa umuntu ezawuthi lana bendithetha about teachers that used to make fun of us esikolweni xa uyoqala ingxaki yakho ubone ngoku xa ungena staff room
ujongwe ngumntu wonke
guys Tina says the podcast we're here to promote every single profession in the world so when we make referrals now trust me when I said doctor I think mama fuya madwadi ngadayo and I think I don't know kwakudala so xa si refera abantu to such places we trust and think that abantu bapayana really care about their job and really abide by client confidentiality clauses so xa nina nizawuphinda sive such and I'm very happy you came with such responses kwenzela kuzophinda bakhole ke out kwakule ndawo sibapromota because Nasham I've never had such behaviors but I don't think social development I've never went to a social worker ephaya I've only went to Kwasasa when I was doing the kids things I don't think that can experience a bad behavior and stuff bad attitude payana nasekliniki ndiya psychologist if andikho psychologist ndiya kunesibhele kwa youth and she has the best treatment ever asozuve ndaba zakho noba ubunesilonda entsuleni wawucwangisa phayana sokuba isilonda sakho la mama such people who care about their jobs we recommend you to such people guys and I'm sorry to whoever went there ngalamini Nathan was there ufube ufila into ezinjalo because akaqala bayazi situation yalo mntana abayazi and the reason she went there was to find help so xa kwabantu was supposed to help us baphinde bamoshe wathina okanye the reputation of such places then it's useless and then we wonder why there's so many suicides because if she can't get help then you were driving her to suicide so guys siyanicela mhlambe nalapha kuthi kwi-personal inboxes zenu I'm not saying abuse our inbox ke please say something because xa indawo ezingekho ezinjeyana can't help you then citizens civilians will have to take that part for them but I'm very grateful that uze nento enjalo yes because nyani it's very sickening I'm sorry baby
hey lo mntu sebe serious namhlanje kutheni moyika na
like even I want to have a profession where I'm able to help people I don't know whether it's teaching psychology or whatever
ngena ku psychology mntasi
also but I want to be in a child-like environment
kukhona abantu abazonceda abantu valela abathuba abazonceda
kuvalelwa thina look ndijongo ndizawuthi bensithi ndizawusurprise iChom yam uJack nansi uniform Anza uniform ne broken into siyakho as donator kuchomi yam because I know he's very passionate about kids. So ndawunika nesi chomi nasi donation yam towards the camp. This is my first donation. There's still more donations coming. Anza uniform linde chomi yam. There's people like us who really care about kids. Beko abantu bazawufaka posters nje. Uzibuza ukuthi ungafumani umsebenzi. Sis man.
Guys, namanye abantu.
Government must do better. Please do better. What's up?
But how do I deal with my demons?
I'm not
sober.
I'm not sure if I don't want to lie. Is it sober when you do it medically? Because you're still drug induced, Mr. Producer.
Like bakona.
Alright.
The way I go about it is that I was diagnosed with depression, anxiety. I went about it medically. Which is I get prescribed drugs.
Okay, I get you.
It was going. My mom said, "Oh, it was going to be in the midst of that. I did try to overdose about 5 times. Yeah, I'm so tired of this life thing. I'm very tired of this life thing.
I'm tired of this life thing. Please.
So like she got to a payana. Iphilos zami mandingaziboni mandenele kuyozithatha.
Yeah.
Mandingaziboni mazihlala phinde don. I'm grown now. I think the last time I tried to overdose was like 2020. I'm grown. It's 2025. So it's been 5 years since my last overdose. So kwathiwa phayana makazikhuphe ngokwakhe and then mayibe nguyozaziyo mazihlala phi.
Yeah.
Now she udathi yo kanene mina ndihlala negezi Bianca. Zonke impilo zakho. So we've made it like an inside joke type of thing where this is how I deal with my demons. There's just my dinigeza like 9 exactly. Yeah, well. Yeah, kuba kanifumana umuntu azonqonqozela apha apha lokusisi. Yazazi, ndringas. So yeah, that's how I deal about my demons.
Everyone is sweet, ne? I'm way too sweet. I know, but dinazi anger issues. Yeah, but didn't anger issues. I'm not gonna lie. No anger issues. So no, really good. Didn't anger issues, guys. But there was who control alone msindo ne. But ukuze ndidile nayo ndibiza as a demon mas. Demon kanje umntu ne anger too much. That's the reason why ndidlala boxing because xa ndipunchela yonke lapha kum yabo. That's how I deal with my demons. They punch and lile, yabo. But my daughter very bathi ngabayo. So that's around boxing. I think yenzelwe lonto. Like ingqondo yami iphole. Secondly, I just do some exercises. Ndithi mculo yonke lanto. Okanye ndibhale anything. I know about this story because now I'm a script writer. Mthetho wami. Ndibhale. Okanye ndijoge, that's all. This is nje man.
Top. Nah, I would say, hi guys, poof. And kafik with on those demons and stuff. But I'm a stress eater.
Oh, I love stress eating.
Really?
Oh, I love stress eating.
Anim Demon Slayer. I recommend Demon Slayer, guys. Demon Slayer.
You met a fan.
Demon Slayer, My Hero Academia. Anim, guys. Anim.
Please.
Yeah.
So yeah, at least that's how we deal with our demons, Mr. Producer, sir.
But you know what I mean? I can't like the teeny, because like in the teeny, because I'm better appetite because that's really so.
I'm not sure. I always go for a multivitamin. Can't get. La way go try and don't. Who is calling me? Why in phone? I mean, I'm very sorry. Yeah, I think sell a multivitamin.
No.
That is a crocodile. Can you rooibos tea? Yeah, I know you don't like rooibos, but they are cold.
Ne, listen. So I mean, over the lab in Hawaii, I can shoot and jam up bone and it jogging.
Here we are go.
The bone to me. Did
you? Here we are go.
Did you make?
That's on you back at the comedy about go attending a Kwazukia. Now go on second. And I was like, I don't know whether it was my roommate or Tandile. I'm not sure, man, but someone in the midst of my circle was like, hey, man, Baulu go attending a Kwazukia. But I don't go Kwazukia.
Trust me, I will command. I'm calling out command. uyakuva ngevumta umandi makufike pha makukujonge nje uthi yo
Nasongatye.
Shem, that's the only thing endenza ndingatyi is when I'm in like high pressure moments, not umgo. Is it umgo or high pressure moments like when we're planning on Miss Summer? It's not umgo. I don't eat when I plan on Miss Summer, Miss Royalty. Any event, like even the tea party that is at the end of the month, I won't eat. I know by yonke la vegan this. My only thing, the only food I will have is amanzi, moyo ngcwele,
naliseli
Monster.
iti engenayo ndiqonde he what
Monster, guys. Nah, I eat Monster. When in high pressure moments, I have to deliver. Nathan, that's my brain is on overdrive.
Yeah.
Only thing I have to stomach is a Monster. You know the fast things I eat young then yeah, and fun jago typing like songa. Oh, songa my daily bread.
Angena zozo gisima
Yeah, asanu yako one on top.
Okay, guys, before sit ndifuna ni just a few words for umntu ogowayo out.
Makakhutshelwe ngusino because akho ndiyaziyo mna ngomgo. Ndikamandi ndixelele that I went medically, so akho
like kulamntu who's there who doesn't know ba makenze ntoni.
yeah
ongafuna uya clinic kube soyika ba uzawufika hlekwe phana uzawufika
lento ndithi DMs zethu zivulekile
uzawufika afumane umuntu one attitude ecountereni webhayi uzawuthi uyokucela uncedo hayi funa ntoni bhuti
Emergency sana guys, service delivery man near public centers. I think we should really come and fix that because akumandanga uthi usengxakini ube ufuna uthetha ube kumuntu ozawufuna ukuxaxamisa. But I do think that kukho usisi who is very nice kwi-counter yase-clinic eDimbaza CHC ekuthiwa ngusis Tracy.
yeah
Oh, she's very nice.
Oh, yeah,
Shout out to you, Sissy. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep serving our people with a smile.
Nesibukela apha eclinic.
I hope niyasibukela clinic.
Nesibukela apha eclinic.
I think Wena and one of your staffers, you're very nice, and I really like that for you, and I really like that for the people who serve. You serve, because akondo inzima othi usengxakini. Uthi uzawufuna uthethe ingxaki yakho kubekho umuntu ozawuxamisa. So when you keep serving us, you. So like when you keep doing your job with a smile and a soft-spoken voice, oh siyabulela sis, siyabulela kakhulu. Enguye no sisi ke kumungumama because umdala ungumama, and I'm very grateful that you do what you do and keep doing what you do because it's amazing. Yeah,
Back to my question.
Back to the question. I'm sorry. But in no man, it's not hero here to pay clinic, and you gotta shine a light on heroes because not all heroes wear capes.
Yeah. So as been such ne funa lo lamagama mbalo yabo to motivate la mntu ugowayo okanye lo one depression ongazaziyo yet diba one depression or has anxiety. Yabo sezo zininzi ezizigulo that is mental that abantu abazuyi yabo that abantu abazuyi. So I just need that omagama nje ambalwana yo.
I feel like ndithetha enough Mnashem. This is why I'm like pass it on.
Just pass on a few words.
Motivate abantu.
I feel like ndithetha enough man. I feel like ndithetha enough.
okay yes it's
Honestly, I don't know ba. Nama zandias ba. Like I'm depressed. Yeah, well, I don't know how I went about. Oh yeah, it was after my first attempt to Sui, you know. After we knew that oh yeah, I'm battling depression and anxiety, because I'm very is Nyizindo is Jonga. We should look at the parents, but understand up because. Now, I'm very fortunate to have a grandma that cares and a grandma who is very well educated and very well known. Like when the knowledge that is endless, and when it comes to kids, and I'm very grateful for Indozinjalo because she understood ndine depression.
Yeah.
And she understood ba akazobe sithi but ndiyakondla
Yeah.
khona ngakwenzeli yona
Yintoni ngaka?
kwintoni ngaka.
Yeah.
I never got to have such a parent, and I'm very happy about that. Zezinye izinto ezandenza ba okay, let me try and do this life thing, you know, for her at least, because she was worried after all to find out yonke into endiyenzayo is just because efenye intombazana ndingawubisando mention kule podcast, but soze siyithethe ngenye imini. Yeah, bullying is one of the reasons I was depressed, you
Oh,
know.
yeah, okay.
Yeah, I was bullied a lot in high school, and zininzi manje ezinye izinto engasoze ndizibalise ezenzeka, and that made me to be depressed. Nalapha endlini zininzi izinto ezenzekayo.
Yeah.
But all in all, advice yam ithi try to seek out a friend if uyoyika uye clinic.
Yeah.
I know friends zethu zizinyoka. Yo zinyoka. But
Busandolela
I know shem zethu zinyoka. But try to look for that one good friend.
Yeah.
That nandoni na ithetha, you know ba sozuive phaphandle. Yabo. And I have a good friend of 13 going to 15 years. Ndisachomene nalo ntombazana kunamhlanje. Akho nto yamangayaziyo. Yeah, like try to find good friends and nibon ba what are the steps ahead. One of the things I always say, do not self-diagnose. Side, sus Google. Don't Google, because uzawuzibona, oh shit, I have ADHD, I have this, I have that. No, don't Google. Go to a facility after you have spoken out to a friend. If bayana bayakunceda, then kudos, uzawukwazi uba you solve the problem. Easy like that. But if awunayo enye indlela mhlawumbe ufumana idimba CHC, I don't know, okay, andiyazi, but try to look for a professional who you can talk to, ubone ingxaki yakho ba itini, and then what steps can be taken from there. Otherwise, yonke into stems from having a good support system. If you have good friends or a good family member, because then family wethu kukho abo nabo siyakhetheka. So try to have a good sense of mind ba thetha nechomi yakho oyithembileyo or a family member, then nibone man baniyandawoni. And if kuthiwa yitye iipilisi zitye
iipilisi zakho,
akho nto ibaluleke ngathi yi-treatment.
phuza amapilisi
Pretty palisa.
phuza amapilisi
Phuza amapilisi nathi sibahle nimane nincoma Bianca usemhle unemali uye nditya iipilisi zam. Ndiyazitya iipilisi zam, ndizitya kakuhle futhi ndizitya ngomlinganiselo wazo. Enkosi.
So that's your motivation.
Yeah, that's my motivation, guys. And I don't know how to motivate people.
Kumntu ogowayo ne engasimntu uqala akhangele into like azaziyo ba uyayithanda, yabo. Into azaziyo bayithanda athi noba mhlambi uyayenza loo nto azibone ba okay, andicingi nganiksi xa ndiyenza le nto, yabo. Bense ndiyibekile uqala ba when you don't have to ba ube ngumuntu odudlala iboxing ba ulwe ubukelwe ngabantu, yabo. You are allowed ba ungene uyophuncha, yabo. Vele ufike nje ndicela uphuncha. Baza kunika igloves uphuncha kuphela into lela unayo ulile. If awulili uzaba nesasingqoko, uzaba nela enga ngaphakathi, yabo. So that noba le nto endigoyisa akayigoyiswa ngumuntu akayigoyiswa yiloo nto uvele ufuna uattack same, yabo. Secondly, ingase ubhale if umuntu obhalayo. Bhala ngale situation kuyo, yabo. We read out loud. Uzijonge esipilini, thethe nawe, uzibuze ngubani. Like oh come on,
I'll never look at a mirror. It's for some people, not for me.
Andanzi ngathini man, but ngasinto akhange ayazi uyayithanda. Adraw enze nje something man.
Yeah, so taking the pain and making it into art.
If akafuna uthetha mntwini nansi diary, nansi ntoni.
Oh, diary zabantu ziyafundwa.
Akasibe kwindawo ezawufunda kuyo.
Akunzima.
Yabo.
Top talk.
Guys, andikwazi motivate him.
Masifune la sound ka Pop Smoke.
Ngeke zawuthetha.
Kuyivela la sound ka Pop Smoke sithi masifune la sound for Top Dog every time again. Yeah, mntana.
Hi guys, and andikwazi
Kama
motivate
ndebetha
mna
akanazi-
andina-demons. If I overthink, guys, mama mkhona. Mna athetha nomama yonke into, including relationship problems, guys. Mama is
yazi
my
naleka
safe
apile.
space. Guys, my mom is my safe space, guys.
Yes,
Mama
naleka
mthetha
apile.
nayo yonke into.
Yeah.
Yonke into.
Apile ngicela uvume umntanami please ndiyacela. Please text me. Apile. Ndakuzela ekhayeni lakho.
Bruh.
Apile.
Yeah, guys. Uyadingeka laa mntu who's gonna be your rock.
Yeah, mna ndishoyo mna. I'll always give a shout out to Sislinda Mapokela. Oh my girl. Ndazonda ndikwenzele yona.
Nah, guys.
Andiyazi.
I'm not
My mother.
I
My
don't
mother.
Oh,
my family.
My mom.
I always deal with my demons alone.
Like,
Ayikho right ke sana.
It's serious.
Because at least one
And
person in your family should know that there's
akhona
trouble.
umntu afana ndibone xa ndigowa mna ekhaya ndibe ndiqonda guys I can't breathe like ndijongeni ndihoyeni pha andithethi abafane bandibone xa ngoku mhlawumbi ke umntu ondiqhelele ndingumntu obhabli othini uzandibona ndinguyoyolala eli alright no I'm fine ndiphinde ndibe bhabli ndi-act I'm very good ke kulo cala noba sendilila ndilila kuba like silale sibanintsi eromini eyi-1 asoze ndiviwe ziyahlaqarhu cwaka.
Right, anokwazi.
I deal with my
I
demons
couldn't because my lady knows everything. Everything like
but in the end
Ubona
efana
ngolala
imbhaqise zii-panic attacks. Yeah.
oh I used to have those. All those
Zii-panic
suck.
attacks ezimbhaqisayo. I'm glad
Those
zingekho
things
nangoku.
suck. Oh. Ugh. Yes. Moving on. I've got depressing.
moving on.
Okay, guys, mna ndinento apha bendiyithunyelelwe
Yeah.
because hey man. Also, uyazi bendibawula unibuza weekend yenu uba ibinjani. Ibinjani weekend yenu while sikhangela. Ibinjani weekend yakho Nathan? Phofu unglo. Hey, ibinjani weekend yakho? Yo nawe. Yo hayi. So ndiphinde ndibuze mntu ibinjani weekend yakho.
I have a question,
It was
guys.
bendinawe ke mna. Yo, hey guys.
Nombuzo mna.
Mna into ndithi men will leave you in the desert without water.
Yo.
Masamba. Funti mntana.
There was a guy who never.
Yeah.
Puff and like messy guy fine. So yabona, does e jealous from me comes from insecurities?
Jealous chummy.
No,
Jealous.
jealous like the whole world being jealous comes from insecurities. Like
Is this in which context can like friendship or
relationship.
Relationship.
yeah? Because I don't know. It's like oh, ngizawudika ke shem get relationship yam because anayo. Anayo, guys. I'm sorry. I chose to be a gone girl. Zotini, if like my biggest insecurity was my features, like energy features apart from that I didn't like. I still don't like. I want to get it fixed, but I used to be like a guy that was
Yeah.
and I'm talking like early stages of our relationship. I'm not talking about now. Like it to the point that it got me uncomfortable.
Yeah.
I'm like, damn. So like, are you really my guy? Okanye, this is just a friend, you know, like sajola nyan, like ujola nam. Did you know when I'm a You're lying. Because what do you mean you're living such a 10 for me? That's where I got jealous. But nah, as the jealous person, I can't express a jealousy.
Yeah.
I was on one angle, I'm just blowing you off. But hey, let's hang out. I don't reply, and then you reply late, intentional. But no, sorry, I got busy and stuff. Now I start to avoid you, like just because I'm dinomon. Yeah, but and I don't want to show but dinomon. So I'm that person.
I think in general, I don't show when I'm jealous.
I don't show when I'm jealous,
I
but
don't
I'm
show.
like, I'm always that display someone different. Yo, I come me.
Umthanda sumbonisa uzibona nge-last minute nawe bayo kanti ndiyamthanda.
So yeah, that's me being jealous. Yeah.
But I feel like I'm not from me. Like I don't think I'm Nandini. I poof. I don't think about any insecurity. I'm positive for into zam. Zezam
same.
ezazinto. So I don't get jealous. Insecurities.
I used to be jealous
I
in
don't
friendships
have
mostly.
insecurities.
No, go aviwe. Text and delete and no, when I know man and then. And she used to be nae until I had a friend and I learned that now she's jealous about me. And then what she and the phone bona nje chomi yakho ngibani and ithanda lapha inyathelo lakho. Awukwazi kaloku njani?
I remember uAbulela at high school ndandithanda Milani ke. Andimthanda nyanshe. Ndimbona ba akana xesha labo kokuqala but nathi yamthanda yabo. But ngencokola wayincokola mos nganayo nani but ndibona kuba nganathi xesha mbhathi zawuyichomi yakho. Ezixa nathi lo mntana akaziphela nyani ngeyichomi. But ngimna ke dala nandithanda xa ndifeel something. Yabo. Okanye ndibone ba you going through a hard time. Benzobhala bendithanda ubhala letter. And then into sweet man and nice then ndiyiqhayi yabo. So xa baba notice abulela abantu bhala into sweet for uMilani yabo nje wathi Chomi uyamthanda umntana umbhalele letter ngiyakho lo mntana kube sejealous namhlanje wathi abone relationship is strong nibizena sister mina ndinto
kuwe
yabo so yeah I'm like Chomi ezinomona ngami
yeah I'm like Jona I think we're in a very weird phase in our life where I think that was the first time Xabana. Nakhona sixabana ngento ephethe ba when you no longer check up on me. Or nechoms ase college ngokuba mina ningafundi. I don't know where that came from. And I think I was stressed. Count texting me wrong. Where I was stressed. And so now I'm like, oh yeah, and texter. We get on choms I was at college. Man funda kaloku mina don't ngiyafunda. Wow. Was on Padashem a very sweet paragraph, and I'm sorry, my sis. I'm sorry. I still love you. Same as before. I can't deem. He's that. I don't know nibuze by weekend nje nibinjani cha akwazayo because weekends unoyithu beze rough.
Hayi man wena man. Come.
Weekend yami be right imoshwe ngumalume. Malume ka aphile. Buya thini lapha na.
Lapho Chomi kwenzeka ntoni nakumkule weekend.
So malume aphile what took a screenshot snapshot and then what thumela?
Chomi.
Shit.
Chomi. Malume.
Yo. I'm not gonna lie, noma kwenzeka ntoni weekend ne. Noma kwathini I had fun, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay.
I really had fun at least man. Bebona abahlali. Yayimo.
And abahlali bakubona.
Abahlali bambona. Akukho umuntu uthanda siloko udibane.
Shout out because ulibele igama lakho. Ulibele igama. Shout out to you.
Shout out to you guys. Libele but Zaqini. So, what was it about like how do you know about
guy is the one?
How do you tell about like when someone is deeply into you?
So what are the tell signs?
Yeah.
For me mna is when ndimbona I love languages zakhe as much as nezam. Correct.
So what are your love languages?
Acts of service. Acts of service. Words of affirmation. Tell me you like me. Tell me I'm pretty, boo boo. Guys,
tell me you like me,
so
boo.
For me, then catch more and more and more.
And kaloku buhle enye into xa udanda utshona mzimba wonke.
Umntwana wonke.
Ndonke. Uphuma kwamphuma ndonke. Akho ndizophinda ngibuyisele ebheki.
Ayibulali lento.
Bulali. Khona omnye waseMonti. Lamfana wathi liability.
Ayinhlanga ke ngokwe accounting terms nondo because I'm accounting girly. Ayinhlanga mntana.
And I said I'm the Bible. Go and show what to niki imali. Go keep imali. I'll not kaloku xa webo xa undifunayo. Uthi sakwenzela into ethile sabe into ethile ke Chomi.
Yeah, back to that accountability. Have the ability to save money into my account.
You are liability mntaka.
Accountability, my doll.
And yeah, bibhlungu ndathi ke mna xa ndiphendula kula text. Okay, thank you next. Khona uzondenzela. Yeka.
Yes, doll.
Yeah,
Khona uzaba asset. Also, by the way, owner's equity. Also, like
Oh my
assets.
gosh,
Thank you, next.
because nencinga top sasibhala. And ngizona because zanga ndayenza i-accounting and ke wena ufunda accounting so sekudala and you akhanike ngiyantraumatize nyani.
Zithini tell science Messi?
Oh my gosh. And it tells signs. Dibhanqa ngemali kakhulu.
Oh shame.
Oh man.
So I can't even tell when someone is deeply into me. Uzawuthebonisa ndiqonde okay ewe but oh my gosh nyani. There are questions endizibuza zona mina ngaphakathi ne. Okanye ndizibhalayo phansi yabo. Ndimbona ba okay uyenzile into ethile. Okay nditikishe ngona okay usayenzile. For now
Because got honeymoon phase.
yeah. Aphinde enze ndiqonde wenza lento ndingayifuniyo. Yabo. So I can't really tell when someone is deeply into me. But
I get you, ne? And I also want to disagree with you because as much as a relationship, it's a two-way street, right? I does some things that piss me the fuck off.
yeah.
They piss me off, but I'm still with him because there's a big thing. That line between that two-way street is called compromise.
Yeah.
You compromise for someone you love.
Right.
I piss him off, you piss me off, but there should be some way we meet now.
Yeah.
That place where we meet, that's the biggest sign for me. Because as much as I am this bubbly, loving, and kind person that I think I am very annoying. I am very annoying. Especially with relationship because I have, as same as you, ne, I've been hurt.
Yeah.
I've been hurt by the same person. I'm sorry, Chomi. But there's that gap where I saw that this person will always meet here.
Yeah.
Nanawe, nobasi akabana will meet here.
Yeah.
This is compromise. He wronged me. I forgive.
Yeah.
There was compromise somewhere in between. Ndimoshile, waxola. There is compromise in between somewhere there. So, ilendo ndithi, the person you love, noba uyamthanda sino, noba he ticks all the boxes and then ends a one wrong move. If I could compromise, then he was never yours to begin with.
Yeah.
He was never yours. Because I always say, umntu noba ungamkhulula, like, uthi ndiyakuthanda and stuff. But, noba umkhulile ahambe, enze, yonke loba ufuna uvrawusha gqibe.
Yeah.
If uyaphinde uyabuya kuwe,
Yeah.
then there's some hope that he's yours.
Oh shame. Guys, buyela
Nalo
kubani?
hope my bege pa.
Kutheni
Set
buya?
what you love free and it'll find its way back to you.
Shame, andifuna umuntu obuyayo.
Isetwe free yona.
Ngile shame.
Isetwe free yona.
Hamba juba.
Bye.
Hamba juba. Bayojuba pha phezulu. Juba.
On. Da.
Isazawudlala.
I shall not.
Shame
Because
isawuphindisa.
at the end of the day, my guys, I'm a hopeless romantic, and of which I am very proud to be a hopeless romantic. I love being a hopeless romantic. Guys, you can't leave every person that cheats on you.
Hayibo.
Uzaphela usazwa kubo bonke abantu trust.
So usuggest about uhlale.
Anditsho, but you can't leave every person that cheats on you. Uzawuthini?
What do you mean?
Umthokozisi akucheatela benibhebhene nomthokozisi. Ngoba uzaya kusayida. Usayida uyakucheatela.
Find Mike. Find Michael.
Michael, yeah. Kaloku guys.
No,
there should be a point
where
exactly. It's either uyahlalela or you settle to what you have. I'm not saying, and I'm not saying to the girls.
Never.
If Nin find a wrong for this statement, fine, and I'm open for judgment and stuff. But I can't be found kaba matras boy.
You can't barely see ya, but uzihlalele. Awucaba.
Oh, I love to get intimate.
Self pleasure.
Yeah, okay.
I did that every time I was single, my G. That's what kept me single because I was
Sorry,
like,
don't see my
who's the person who's gonna match these hands?
Nobody.
Nobody will touch me like I do to myself.
Okay. Okay.
I'm sorry.
No, like befuna ukongeza kula uyithetha ngubheka xa yini sike naphuma
Short left.
no benzawuthi nesino kula we ibithethwa ngubheka about compromise ne like right that's where you see about the person you with now
Who actually tolerate, yeah.
yabo because mhlambi uzawuchita naqala and then you compromise and then mhlambi when you do something wrong and then umbone ba hey direction ayisala and now you see ba okay so imandi when it's on your side but xa indim when you don't come to lento
A compromise.
to compromise and say but you know what ndiyakuthanda ewe ngumntu uzaba ne-mistakes mhlawumbi uzaba nalo moment of weakness as they say yabo so yilaa nto benzayo ngeza nje qha if naye the other person doesn't do le nto uyenzayo akafiki kule point ufika kuyo then you see ba no wena uzele le nto uyizeleyo mos yabo can't be clear with
Intentions zakho. It was all give.
Yeah.
Oh, it was all take. No give.
No give.
God, it's a give and return.
Yeah, type of thing.
Yeah.
Speaking from the lovebirds. The lovebirds is
Even
like
the
so.
30 notes.
You know,
Actually,
please.
andinohlala guys
I'm not kind of but gave
like
up.
izophinda ubuye kulaa nto I wanna cheat back ngoku for me iphinde isim
Why
childish
yo
Bazophinde
guys
ndichithe
if
back,
nonibalisela
no.
bala mfana ngapha kwala mic nala camera unchiteleka ngaphela ningandijudge but
I'm judging to
but it's
To
fine.
me it's childish to cheat back guys
alizokhupha istrip itsho mi relax qha nditheba ngandijudge
People's it's childish to cheat back childish to cheat back
ipoint yam
giving yourself to
ndiyaapho
someone ongazu smashing past guys
Let only try with the amount of infidelities, mandatory infidelities he had. I never had one. I've never went outside my relationship and said,
Really? I
and ayikho into guys
Ayikho, because if you know what you know and you know what you want at the end of the day, there's no reason for you to go outside the bounds of your relationship. City City Apa, there's a trending topic that was posted about a guy. I don't know. Do you know who the real Frankie Rams? Something like that. Go guy kelo. Girl, go koketso.
Yeah, so it is.
So this is the girl I've been posting all over my social media accounts.
Yeah.
The girl I've been sponsoring for the whole 5 years since 2020. The girl whom I introduced to this fancy lifestyle, y'all think she's leaving. Well, I've been more of her father than her boyfriend. I've paid for every single thing for her. Now she got a job in Studio 88 in Zanin Mall recently and started effing with this guy called Chris from Linyenye, working in the same Studio 88 shop in Zanin. So in just 4 months of working, a girl who had absolutely nothing in the past years, living under my roof almost every day, can now finally pay her own bills, and I'm no longer her type anymore. Story of my life.
No longer her type.
Guys Clay
Clay
nto no
Imagine-
ayonto yosebenzisa for me mna ndlela le ndive ngayo whole scenario yabo lo mfana uzi-offerishile guys uba makamnike lo mntana imali no unayo
But
choice
kaloku-
you do have a choice you do have a choice
mhlawumbi ulungile la mfana.
But Nathan, awukwazi wina umuntu akangawini.
Yeah.
That's kind of the point. That's the point of a relationship.
Shem
We
kaloku
push-
ngoku xa ezonto analyze those situation mnakabawo highlight uba ndakuthi nakaloku
Akamlandanga. But uyamxelela
kumlandanga
ba. Yeah, like kaloku akumandanga guys usponsorisha life womuntu from head to toe aphinda azibone sebhetere ku. Uyava uthi I'm no longer her type anymore. To show that girl fine, didn't mind being sponsored. Yeah, bekumanje sisityonkqoyo baka Unico bengabazi anymore.
Yeah.
But it showed me, the minute I find a job, now I'm switching up on you. The person who helped me find this job. It's not nice. Iya paklando ba kukho umfana wayekhalaza apha ku social media esithi ya relationships shem uyadoubt about uyawuzaphinda azifake because he took a girl wamfundisa wamenzela yonke into emhlalisa erumini yakhe engafunwa kokwabo ugirl because ubona uba akho nto ayeza nayo wamthatha la mfana wamcoca wamfakela ulife bras wamfundisa wapopa wathi semfundisile wamfunela umsebenzi under the same thing ebeyifundela yebo wapopa ugirl wadibana necolleague kwamanje ngokwa colleague more than endlini ayimandanga into ba uzibone beyicinga babe nisakha nomuntu kanti wakhela omnye akubhlungu uba nguBob the Builder.
It's giving the life film acrimony yakeland.
That's a topic for another day.
Isabuzwana namhlanje ngaloo ngombo yenu.
Lamfana wayo.
Usabuzwana ngaloo.
I'm always gonna say Mfano wrong because why is Aunika the girl the same exact life to the T. The same exact life that the girl wanted.
So say discuss that way too.
Wam sponsorisha ngemali zika mamakhe zokuqhuba.
Wethu.
Nendlu yasekhaya isekutyaleni ngenxa yakho mthokozise. Yo, cebisa imibane mthokozise ngenxa yebhetri yakho engasebenziseyo.
Hayi man.
But the day you pop out and libala, unflasheli check. You are sorry.
Banansi imali yakho.
That's mali yakho.
Wendla konke kubhatala nekubuyisa nathi isithixo sakho wini. Bye.
Sis,
I'll always love you.
men will leave you in the desert without water.
Abafana ngabafana kuba befana.
Yazi ikhona le ngoma andiyazi noba yabaTswana okanye yabeSuthu. Yazi Bia. Andiyazi noba yabaTswana yabeSuthu.
Chomi, don't mention Tswana. People have it Tswana.
Ingoma ndiyayithanda. Like ndilanisa come on. Nasi le ngoma Chomi. Iri. Bashi.
Yo, wayehleka.
Okay. Bashi mani batauhera ifuli sitlatla. So ma.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ngabafana kuba befana. Kuba befana.
Thank you guys.
I feel like the episode ibibhlungu.
Benini guys, big orange cow.
And yeah, Tommy, but I'm vendanga mna. Che but umuntu yazi ba akishap. Yeah.
Men will leave you in the desert without water. Exclude mine. Thank you very much.
Ndibalo bujika nesiduko sakho. Yazi wa ikholela indithi.
Isiduko sami kaloku ngumambongo. Usondisa, ovemnyama mathobela, uqaqaqa, uhlubikazi. Into ethakathaka egolo hayi ngomuthi. Thank you very much. Intombi yamantambo.
Let's give a shout out to your friends zethu. Noba zingapi.
Oh my god guys. Why nihlukumeza?
Bazawuqhubeka ne.
Sino why nihlukumeza?
Because
Why shout out to your friends andoni?
Kaloku break upile kaloku chomi.
Break up with friends.
Break upile kaloku chomi omnye umntana.
Anyway, shout out to my mom. Best friend yam there.
Shout out mommy.
Don't forget.
Shout out to my grandmama. Shout out Linda Mapokela. Oh, ini mamtambo. Kikabu yonsi Xandlovu nahlala ngikuthanda.
Don't forget malume ka Apile will rot in hell.
I know. Guys, shout out to my underground gang. You guys have my back, Shem. Kanaransa. Oh, nabo friends zami zonke angizonibiza ngamagama because ngizanishouta. Friends zami zonke. I love you guys.
Shout out to our sponsors, Bazaar Photography, Kayakulu Forum House, Privilege Lifestyle, Nature Plan Water, Mtwatwa Residence, and which one did I forget? Isitebe. Senjoli. Shout out to Mr. Producer in the back, who was also one of the cast members today, which is a very rare occurrence. Yeah, shout out to Nathan, the top dog. Shout out to Miss Mercy, the problematic.
Yeah.
Yes, the queen. She's the queen today. The queen of highlights. Why got the sitcho?
There's a queen of highlights, Yamanyan.
Kimang.
Oh my gosh. That's the queen of highlights.
Okay.
Yeah.
But shout out to you, Miss Eke. And shout out to me. Who knows? Yeah, guys are rich who could be in Nigeria. Who knows who's really watching. But shout out to me also, Miss B, the sweetest and fabulous honeybee. And I'm sweeter than honey itself. I'm the hottest bee in the beehive.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, does.
Indonesian, it was sweetest honeybee.
Sweetest is another the hottest in the
Beehive.
Oh my gosh!
I'm telling Beyonce, come on.
What the fuck? I'm gonna leave by. I'm gonna tell her clothes. I can't land up. Okay.
Okay. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share the episodes with your friends, your ex, your crush, your grandma, your father, your bani, your ban, no baleka, watu yote ngubisi. But we are here every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Trust that we always bring the fire and the favor and the fiesta like we in Mexico. I don't know. Shodanganton City. City pray.
Believe and live.
Bye, these.
Shout out to Pujek.
It's time. Bye, guys.
Bye.